Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to reset your AirPods and AirPods Pro. Let's have a look. First, put your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. Then wait for 30 seconds. Now open the lid of your charging case and put your AirPods in your ears. Then close the lid. Now from your iPhone home screen, open Settings app. Under Settings, you will see your AirPods name. Tap on it. Scroll down and go to the bottom of the screen. Tap Forget this device. Another way you can get this option, in iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth. Then tap I button beside your AirPods name. Again, scroll down and go to the bottom of the screen. Then tap Forget this device. One more time, tap Forget device. That's it. Your AirPods removed from your iPhone. Now, put your AirPods in their charging case and keep the lid open. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the charging case for about 15 seconds until the status light on the front of the case flashes amber. Then white. When you see white light, release setup button. That's it. Your AirPods resetted. To reconnect your AirPods, with AirPods in their charging case and the lid open, place your AirPods, close your iPhone and follow the setup on your iPhone screen. So these are the steps to reset your AirPods and AirPods Pro. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.